Hey, Wally here. How you doing? I hope everyone's getting ready for this phenomenal blizzard that we're going to have. We're here in 2 or 3 feet here north of Boston. Probably get 2 or 3 inches. If you're weatherman's like mine, you know what I'm talking about. But this is just a quick shout out. I'm doing my first test posting to Facebook, so I'm hoping this works out. And I've got my trusty helper over here. You probably see Scruffy still sleeping here. It's about 5:30 in the morning. So we're getting ready for the storm. If there was ever a day to have a home-based business, this is it. And you know what? You can click that mouse just as easy from, from your office as you can from driving to the office. So hope all things are well. Enjoy the storm. See you further down the road. Take care.